Have you noticed snapping at loved ones or a racing heart after climbing just one flight of stairs? These signs might indicate that your body isn't receiving enough potassium. Mild cramps, salt cravings, and fatigue are not just annoyances. They might signal a dangerous potassium shortage affecting your blood pressure, heart rhythm, and digestion. Imagine feeling 10 years older with heavy legs and constant bloating, sapping your energy and joy. Simple dietary tweaks can restore balance and vitality. Discover 13 hidden signs and learn how potassium-rich foods can transform your health, making every day vibrant and energetic. Just a reminder that this video is strictly for instructional purposes. So, if you have any medical concerns, consult your doctor. 13 hidden signs you're low on potassium. Discover what your body is telling you. Number 1. Morning hand clenching. If you wake up feeling like your hands are locked or stiff, you could be missing out on potassium's muscle-relaxing benefits. This mineral helps regulate the contractions that let your fingers move freely. Number 2. Unexplained fatigue. Feeling constantly drained can be a flashing warning light. Potassium supports ATP production, also known as your cell's energy currency, so low levels can leave you feeling sluggish, even after a full night's sleep. Number 3. Salty snack cravings. Craving salty chips or pretzels like there's no tomorrow. Chronic stress depletes potassium, which can trick your taste buds into seeking more salt. While an occasional snack is normal, a relentless need for salty foods could be a hidden deficiency symptom. Number 4. Dizziness or lightheadedness. Ever felt a head rush when you stand too quickly? Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure, so low levels might leave you feeling dizzy or even seeing stars during sudden movements. Number 5. Late night bathroom visits. If you're constantly waking up to use the restroom, don't ignore it. Potassium influences how your kidneys handle fluids. A deficiency may mean you're losing sleep over extra trips down the hall. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates. And I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to number 6, sudden digestive slowdowns. Constipation or irregular digestion could be more than an inconvenience. Smooth muscle contractions in your intestines rely on electrolytes, including potassium, to keep things moving along. Number 7, unpredictable mood swings. Feeling irritable, overly anxious, or just a bit off. Potassium plays a key role in nerve function. When it's low, the signals that help stabilize your mood can misfire, leaving you on an emotional roller coaster. Number 8, heart palpitations. A racing or fluttering heartbeat can be unsettling. While it's important to consult a healthcare provider for repeated episodes, keep in mind that adequate potassium helps maintain a steady heart rhythm. Number 9, post-meal energy dips. If you're ready for a nap right after lunch, your blood sugar might be fluctuating more than usual. Potassium assists in glucose metabolism. A deficiency could amplify the usual highs and lows of daily energy spikes. Number 10, muscle cramps during workouts. Cramping up too quickly at the gym? Low potassium might be the hidden culprit. This electrolyte helps your muscles contract and relax smoothly, crucial for hitting that next fitness milestone. Number 11, puffy face or eyes. In the morning. Waking up looking like you slept face down in a pillow fort can be linked to fluid retention. Potassium assists your kidneys in filtering out excess fluid, which helps reduce puffiness around the eyes and cheeks. Number 12, pulsating or ringing in your ears. That strange whooshing sound at night isn't always just in your head. Tense blood vessels can lead to a pulsatile sensation in your ears, and insufficient potassium levels may contribute to that tightening. Number 13, sugar cravings. If you find yourself wandering to the dessert table more often than you'd like, your cells might be crying out for balanced electrolytes. Potassium helps stabilize insulin and glucose levels, potentially reducing sugar cravings over time. Potassium is an essential mineral that teams up with sodium, calcium, and magnesium to keep your muscles contracting, your nerves firing, and your heart beating steadily. The American Heart Association suggests that an adult needs around 4,700 milligrams of potassium per day, although the exact requirement can vary based on health status and activity level. Multiple clinical studies have shown a link between higher dietary potassium and lower blood pressure. Diets abundant in leafy greens, like spinach or Swiss chard, nuts, like almonds and pistachios, and low-sugar fruits, like berries and avocados, deliver not just potassium, but also magnesium and fiber, compounds that further support overall health. By maintaining a good sodium-to-potassium ratio, you optimize everything from muscle function to fluid regulation, improving how you feel day to day. Are you noticing more than one of these subtle signs resonating with your experience? Don't brush it off. Take action now. Get a checkup. Schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider to discuss your symptoms. If needed, ask about a blood test that checks your electrolyte levels. Revamp your diet. Incorporate potassium-rich foods like spinach, avocados, salmon, and bananas into your meals. Small swaps, like trading salty snacks for roasted nuts, can make a big difference. If you found this information helpful, be sure to follow our channel. Remember, your body communicates through subtle or sometimes glaring signs when something's amiss. Don't let unexplained fatigue or pesky sugar cravings stand in the way of living an energetic, balanced life. Boosting your potassium levels can be the simple, natural solution you've been searching for. By dialing in your diet and paying close attention to your body's cues, you're taking a powerful step toward long-term health. When you're ready, share this guide with someone who might need it. If you're as interested in vitamins and their benefits as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to journey through the world of vitamins and discover how they can enhance your health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to potassium deficiency. Embrace health, celebrate life.